Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. If TikTok photo swipe is not working, then what should you have to do? It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on this plus mark. This type of screen will appear. Now select any two photos from gallery. Click on two photos like we are selecting these photos. Click on the next. You can see this type of swipe. If this type of swipe is not working, what you have to do? Come on the screen and click on the profile. Now click on the top three lines. Click on setting and privacy. Scroll this screen and click on free up space. Now clear the cache from your TikTok. Then your TikTok photo swiping will start working properly. If still you are facing this problem, then restart your app or update your app. This problem will be resolved. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.